Hi, Paul. Thanks so much for sending your cup all the way back from England. We got it in the mail, super cute box. I just want to show you that our cups are actually designed to be taken apart and they don't require any glues. I see that you tried to glue your cup back together, but you don't need that. So I'll show you how to assemble it, and after this, I'm going to send a new cup your way so you can use it. So you just want to grab the cup here and make a C shape and pull it out here, and it comes apart from the collar. And then when you're ready to assemble it back with this screw part on top, stick it back in, just make the same C shape. Make sure you're getting one even layer, just like that. And then you're gonna use your lid